Arbitrationagreements.org. Today we will be talking about an important document known as the Construction Arbitration Demand Form. If you are interested in the field of alternative dispute resolution, this is an essential topic to understand. Before we begin, please like this video, press the subscribe button, and tap the bell for notifications so you can keep up with crucial dispute resolution topics that can save your business a great deal of time and money. A Construction Arbitration Demand Form is a document that's used when there is a dispute related to a construction project. This document initiates the process of arbitration, an alternative to litigation. In essence, this form is a formal request by one party, the claimant, to resolve their dispute with another party, the respondent, through the process of arbitration. The purpose of a Construction Arbitration Demand Form is to communicate the claimant's demands or claims related to the construction dispute. It clearly outlines the issues in contention, along with a detailed description of the dispute and the requested relief. Typically, a Construction Arbitration Demand Form includes information such as the names and contact information of both parties, a detailed description of the dispute, the relief being sought, and any applicable fee payment. It's crucial that this form is filled out completely and accurately, as it is the starting point for the arbitration process. To understand the significance of construction arbitration, consider these numbers. According to a recent report, in the year 2022, about 35% of all alternative dispute resolution cases were related to construction. Of those cases, a staggering 90% were resolved through arbitration. This highlights the vital role of the Construction Arbitration Demand Form as the starting point in many of these resolution processes. This form is the first step in avoiding the lengthy, costly, and often adversarial litigation process. Do you need help drafting an arbitration demand form? If so, head on over to arbitrationagreements.org. That's where you can buy the service or program you need right away and begin the dispute resolution process quicker. Now, our association does not provide any legal advice, but give us a call if you or your business are considering opening a new account or case. Countless companies and individuals utilize our services to handle claims in a controlled manner through cost-effective solutions. If you're interested in doing that as a business, we are standing by. Successful companies depend on arbitration to save money. You're paying one service per case instead of experiencing the uncontrolled expenses of a standard lawsuit. That's the key reason why arbitration is so popular. Also, what do you think about arbitration? Which advantage of it intrigues you the most? Give us your opinion by leaving a comment below. Don't forget to like the video, hit the subscribe button, and ring the bell for notifications so you can stay up to date about alternative dispute resolution processes that can save you time and money.